DIY Auto
All
Repair.
right, guys, and we are back, and we got some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys today. So today we're going to be looking at the Harbor Freight Instant Savings, limited time only. Shop and save today, now through 6/6. So you guys have a couple more weeks to get a hold of these deals. Save up to 64%. So let's go ahead and take a look at the deals for the instant savings. All right, guys, so like always, we're going to go ahead and touch on the things that we've had some experience with or that we've heard about, and also the same thing with the things that we've heard some good or bad stuff about. We're going to touch on things that we haven't had any experience or haven't had any good or bad stuff said about it. We will not be speaking on that. If I do miss something that you guys feel that you should share, whether it's good or bad, make sure to put it in the comment section below so that you can also give us an idea. Also, I'm sorry if I missed something that you guys wanted to know about. Like I said, I'm only touching on stuff that I could speak about. So one thing to note about these instant savings is there's no coupon required. You just purchase them at this price while the sale is going on. Usually, at least in my local Harbor Freights, they have this yellow tag that says instant savings attached to the price. So you already are aware it's an instant savings and you don't need any coupons. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this. So here, right off the bat, we got the 1,500 pound capacity vehicle dollies. It's a two-piece. Original price is $64.99. It's on sale for $49.99. Funny thing about these, I've been wanting these for a long time. I actually did pick them up a while back. I am going to be hopefully putting them in a video soon. I have not used them yet. They are actually still in the box, but I did purchase them. They seem like pretty good quality. I've taken them out, but I haven't really used them. So not a bad deal. At this price, you could get two sets for $100 and have one for all four corners or all four tires of the vehicle. So not a bad deal if you need to move the vehicle around, if you're working on it, or if it's inoperable. This is a good tool to have. So moving on, we've talked about these before. These Haulmasters 500 pound capacity ratcheting tie downs. Original price is $15.99. They're on sale right now for $9.99. These are always good to have lying around in any case that you find yourself in. Got some Pittsburgh plier set with comfort grip, a 5-piece. Original price is $19.99. It's on sale for $16.88. I've never used the Pittsburgh pliers, but it's not a bad deal for the set for what you get. Like I've said before with these lower price tools, these Pittsburghs, they have a lifetime warranty. So if you guys need an extra set lying around in your vehicle for emergency purposes, or if you have to lend tools out and you're not, sorry about that, guys, you're not going to be worried about them getting lost, returned, or if they get broken, you're not going to have to worry about it for that price point. And they're on I'm sorry, lost my train of thought, guys. They're lifetime warranty. I apologize. So not a bad deal. These guys, we have these Pittsburgh pry bar set 4-piece. Original price is $16.99. They're on sale right now for $14.99. Guys, these things are actually surprisingly really, really good. They're pretty sturdy. I have used these to pry everything. I've used them to pry up. Sorry about that. Keep moving the mouse. I've used these to pry on suspension components, control arms, you name it, I've done it. I've used them to pry out CV axles, anything you could think of. I have used this tool, this pry bar, to do it, and surprisingly they have not broke yet. Very shocked at how well they hold up. I beat on them pretty good, guys, and they hold up. So highly recommend this. It's actually shocked me now. I'm pretty sure if you torture them, they're gonna they're gonna snap pretty easy. But for the most part, they work for me. We have a Voyager 15-inch tool bag with a 14 pockets. Original price is $9.99. It's on sale right now for $6.99. I never purchased this. I think I got this free from a promotion that Harbor Freight was having one time, a long time ago, and it's a decent bag for the price point. It's nothing special. It's just a little tool bag if you need some extra storage. It's standard bag, guys. It's nothing too special about it. So moving on. Still moving on. Sorry again, guys, if I'm passing something up that you were hoping that I talk about. Here's another cool little item. It's the Pittsburgh Automotive 18-inch telescoping magnet. Original price is $3.79. It's on sale right now for $2.99. These things are fantastic. I've never had an issue with these. I usually always pick a couple of these up every time I go. I find myself losing them a lot. Other than that, these things are fantastic. They get into small, tight places when you drop that socket or that fastener into the engine bay. This will definitely get you out of a bind, and they're pretty inexpensive, so I usually pick a couple up every time I go. Moving on. Here's some cotton swab assortment, 175 piece. Original price is $5.99. It's on sale right now for $3.99. I actually purchased this. I've used these every once in a while. You could use them for all different kinds of things: firearms, camera equipment. I typically use these for automotive purposes in the sense of getting into cleaning out stuff like sensors, or getting into the throttle body or something like that. That's what I usually use it for. They come in handy quite a bit, and you get a big assortment for $3.99. That's a pretty good price. Here's another thing we talked about, these Hall Masters. This is a camouflage version of the elastic stretch cords. 6-piece. Original price is $3.99. It's on sale right now for $2.33. I bought these, not this specific set, but same Hall Master elastic stretch cords, and again I use these to hold aside wiring component or wiring harnesses or components when I'm trying to work on the engine bay or even underneath the vehicle, to help hold up, like if I'm just unbolting the steering rack, I usually wrap a couple of these around and secure them, and it holds it in place pretty good. So that's a pretty good deal right there. Moving on, we have this Pittsburgh half-inch drive impact socket extension set. It's a 4-piece. Original price is $9.99. It's on sale right now for $6.99. And as always with your Pittsburgh, you get the lifetime warranty. So again, not a bad deal to have some extra tools lying around. Again, to keep in your vehicle. You're not going to have to worry about if they get stolen, if they get damaged, if they get lost. They're pretty inexpensive, and they have a lifetime warranty, and they get the job done. So you can't beat that, guys. So moving on to the next page, see what we got. We have these Grants Ultra Plus edgeless microfiber towels. It's a 12-pack. Original price is $9.99. They're on sale right now for $7.99. I've never purchased the microfiber towels from Harbor Freight, but I'm assuming it's a microfiber towel. I mean, how can you mess it up? If somebody out there has had some bad experiences with these, please put it in the comment section below, because as far as I know, it's kind of hard to mess up a microfiber towel, but wouldn't be surprised. So for $7.99 for a 12-pack, that's really not a bad deal. Moving on. Got some Hardy gloves on sale. Here we have the Apache 2800 weatherproof protective case. It's a medium case. We've talked about these plenty times before as well. Original price is $29.99. It's on sale right now for $22.99. Again, you can keep your firearms, your camera equipment, your scan tool, lock it up, keep it protected. These are really great to have. You can choose your color, black, orange, or a tan. These are fantastic cases to have to protect vital equipment that you want to keep protected. So, and that is it, guys. That is your instant savings. So again, the instant savings is good from now until 6/6. So you still have plenty of time to go down there and pick up these savings before the sale ends or before they're out of stock. So there you go, guys. So not bad, guys. A lot of deals going on. So if you guys have already picked some stuff up, either from this sale or from some other sales that we've already made some videos on, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys got. Hopefully soon, if I get some time, I'm gonna be putting out a video of my Harbor Freight Icon tool haul soon. I think so. Hopefully we'll get that out for you guys. You guys could check that out and see what I purchased. So anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.